She took this instrument and she did things to it that I don't even think it imagined it could do. And that's kind of what Chiwoniso means, right? It means the one who makes the way clear, the one who illumines the path, right? And, you know, I studied music. I play some piano. And I always say that, you know, when people now that people are starting to take Mbira seriously, Chiwoniso is to Mbira, I guess, what maybe Mozart is to piano. That woman could play. Right, so we're gonna go through a little Chiwoniso journey, and I hope you guys will just, you know, sing with me, celebrate her life with me, and enjoy. She changed my life. I decided to become a singer because of her. And like I said, she's a great mentor to me, so I'm very, very honored to be here tonight. Thanks, guys. Let's sing Rebel Woman, huh?
Tired and dusty, she sat on the road, her green spotted uniform and his sneakers out. One rebel woman, yeah, rebel woman, yeah. She took off her hat and she leaned against a tree, a rifle by her side, rough worn hands against her knee. Rebel woman, yeah, rebel woman, yeah. There will be no compensation. It was of your free will. Oh, that you stood at the front line. Rebel woman, these are the rules of war. Remember that you fought for your freedom. I know the freedom's been a hard one. It's been so hard won. But as you weep, rebel woman, remember that you are strong.